Girish P. from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are discussing about classification of roads. Classification of roads. Roads are classified based on various factors such as function, capacity, and location. Classification helps in planning, designing, and maintenance of roads. Different countries may have different classification systems. Functional classification. Functional classification categorized roads based on their primary purpose. Common functional classification includes arterial roads, collector roads, and local roads. Arterial roads serve as major traffic corridors and connect cities or regions. Arterial roads. Arterial roads are designed to handle high volume of traffic. They provide efficient movement between urban areas and major transportation hubs. Arterial roads often have multiple lanes, controlled access, and high speed limits. Collector roads. Collector roads collect traffic from local roads and direct to the arterial roads. They provide access to residential areas, commercial centers, and other local destinations. Collector roads usually have fewer lanes and lower speed limit comparing to arterial roads. Local roads. Local roads serves primarily for access to individual properties and neighborhoods. They have low traffic volume and are often categorized by low speed limit. Local roads are designed to prioritize safety and easy to movement for local residents. Classification by capacity. Roads can also be classified based on their capacity to handle traffic. Capacity is determined by factors like number of lanes, geometry, and design standards. Classification by capacity helps in managing traffic flow and congestions. Major highways. Major highways are designed to handle significant traffic volumes across a long distance. They connect major cities and regions, often spanning multiple states or provinces. Major highways have multiple lanes, controlled access, and higher design standards. Express and freeways. Express and freeways are high capacity roads with limited access points. They are designed for high speed travel and typically having great separation interchanges. Expressways and freeways often have controlled access and higher safety standards. Classification of location. Roads can be classified based on their location, such as urban or rural areas. Urban roads serve densely populated areas and cater to various modes of transportation. Rural roads serve sparsely populated areas and often have lower traffic volumes. Urban roads. Urban roads are designed to accommodate a mix of vehicle, pedestrian, and cyclist. They have traffic signals, crosswalks, and other features to enhance safety. Urban roads often have narrower lanes and lower speed limits comparing to urban roads. Rural roads. Rural roads primarily serve agriculture, recreational and remote areas. They have fewer lanes and lower design standards than urban roads. Rural roads often having longer distance between intersection and higher speed limits. International classification systems. Different countries adopt their own classification systems for roads. For example, the United States uses the functional classification system. The functional classification system categorized roads into functional classes based on their primary purpose. Functional classification system. The functional classification system includes functional classes such as principal arterial, minor arterial, and major collectors. Each functional classes have specific designs, standards, and traffic volume thresholds. The functional classification system helps in guiding transportation, planning, and funding decisions. Other classification systems. Other countries having their own classification systems such as European Roads Network Classification. The European system categorized roads into motorways, expressways, national roads among others. These classification systems aim to ensure consistency and effective management of roads network. In classification of roads is essential for effective transportation planning and design. It helps in allocating resources, determining maintenance needs, and improving road safety. Classification system provide a standardized framework for managing and developing road networks. Classification of roads. According to importance, Class 1 road, Class 2 road, and Class 3 roads. According to location and function, National Highway, State Highway, major district roads, other district roads, and village roads. Thank you for watching.